All right, Uber Eats, and they're 5-hour BS, 5 hours every week. Just complete nonsense. You're supposed to keep your acceptance rate up. How are you supposed to keep your acceptance rate up if they send you shit offers? Or I think they deliberately send you offers they know you're not going to go to. Maybe I'm just, I don't know. Maybe I'm just being paranoid, but it's very possible. They send you places like, they know you're not going to go, then you decline it, and then your acceptance rate goes down. Then they penalize you for it, right? By giving you 5 hours. This company makes billions of dollars with a B. Billions. And you send you these shitty $2, $3 orders or requests. What the hell am I supposed to do with that? Don't back up. Okay, back up now. Yeah, 5 hours. What the hell am I supposed to do with 5 hours? And they lie and throw you offline. And they go, oh, it's not busy right now in this area. Sure, it's not busy. You're lying and saying it's not busy. You want to save money. You want to pay people. And they're CEOs, they're executives, they get paid a shit ton of money. What do we get for working hard? Nothing. It's the way the world is, unfortunately. Used to be, you used to set your own hours, do whatever you want, work. Work for yourself. You come out, 12 midnight or 12 in the afternoon, get some orders. No, can't do that anymore. It was so nice before. Mike. Thank you. Confirmed, right? Good, thank you. Have a good one. You too. Delivery? All right. Have a good one. Thank you. Take care. Andrea? Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. Thank you. Take care.
Alexander. Very much, sir.
Have a good day.
You too, Mike.
Have a good one. Thank you. There you go.
Oh, that was
Have a good night.
timing.
That's good. Thank you. Good. Yep. It's where you gotta have a light on the front of your helmet so you can see. Because, you know, a lot of these houses at night, they're in complete darkness. Not only is it a safety issue, it's also, you know, how the hell are you supposed to see where you're gonna deliver? Nita? Thank you. You're good. All right. Take care. Take care. All right. You're welcome.
Bring the tenders,
Okay. Here we are. Thank you. Casper?
Yeah.
All right. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good one. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, there you go. Have a good one. Thank you. Take care.